Hey boys, before starting this video, I just started up my TikTok. Here's an example of my video.
Oh, like that. Some real bro
Joel, catch me! Anyway, it's at official name brand. Official, spelt official. I don't know how to say that. Name, N-A-M-E-B-R-A-N. Go check it out. Let's get some followers so I can do dumb stuff on there because YouTube won't allow it. Nice. Appreciate it. Back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Hey man, we're sitting down for this video, you know, for the first time in a little while. I haven't sat in a few days. Number 1 and 2 on the toilet, not sitting down. It's like one of those like no jerk off for a year type things, but I'm trying not to sit down for 2 weeks or something. I don't know why, it just seems like a fun task. I failed and I'm sitting now. It's been like 48 hours almost. Anyway, boys, man, so NBA YoungBoy just came out with a new album. Let me tell you guys, I listened to half of it, super stoked about it. Couldn't start by telling you my favorite song because I don't remember song names. But I think it's really sick, man. Deeds in jail, no features, super dope. Anyway, I woke up this morning to tons of messages on my Instagram, boys. It's right here. I try to read those all the time, like so much, and you guys are so cool, man. Tons of you guys being like, yo, you listen to the album, and then a lot of you guys also being like, yo, you should make a video talking about the album, but I can't because I just told you both reasons. Can't remember names. I don't know how to write that well, or I can't write because I'm too shaky now. Whenever I ship stuff to you guys with giveaways, it's my girlfriend that writes all that stuff. You could probably tell. Actually, speaking of giveaways real quick, I got a giveaway for you guys in this video celebrating the album drop. Let me know if you listen to it down below with a comment and thumbs up this video. And if you do that, I'm gonna pick one of you guys to have a free signed poster of NBA YoungBoy. I've got tons more than even the ones you see on the wall right here. It's in the back bedroom and some storage there. So if you guys want to win that, thumbs up, comment down below. Instagram's right here. It'd be easier for me to pick you if you messaged me saying you did that. Anyway, because I can't do the album thing, you know what I mean? Can't react to albums because YouTube copyright and blah blah blah. It was really cool to get these messages. Where's my phone? I forgot what it says. Oh fuck. Okay, we're on 1% battery. This might not work out too well. Oh my god. Alright, now I got a few of these boys and it got me mad stoked because you know I like merch on the channel. I'd love to unbox it and buy it. Somebody said NBA YoungBoy never broke again. It just dropped a new album. Anyway, it's so good. You should do a video on this. So I was like, dope, bro. That sounds sick. Another person. Can you do a video on NBA YoungBoy's new album merch? Awesome vids anyway if you don't, Brandon. Thank you so much. I got a few of those, boys. Really, really appreciate it. And I think today we're gonna check out his merch because a bunch of you guys sent me links of it. So it must be dope. Rappers nowadays are putting out a lot better merch, I would say, than, you know, like a year back. It was just screen printed bullshit. Nobody cares about it. And hopefully they have jewelry up for their deal. Boys, we're gonna freaking hop online. I'm gonna take what's a good way to say this, some legal doctor noted anti-anxiety medicine so we could have a little bit more fun. And with my apple juice, we're sipping some apple juice right now and just gonna chill out. They're probably gonna get really crazy and talk about aliens and stuff, and we're gonna see this new merch and purchase it all so we can unbox it. Freaking private browsing mode engaged, if you will. Alright boys, we're on what some may say is the Instagram right now. Me being one of them. Well, the reason we're on Instagram is because some of y'all sent me links to the website. Check out my Instagram picture, by the way. That's an NFT. It's a cool one too. It's making me a lot of money. I'm gonna blank this out because I don't really want to share my messages with y'all. And who was I talking to? That guy. And there we go. Dear God Christ, okay. Nope, that is a poor. That's one thing I always fall for, boy. You always send me like P-ROM links, bro. Don't do that. Alright, I'm just gonna have to search it. I'm not going through any other links. And I also forgot to save them. Okay, Google NBA YoungBoy. Boys, what we're doing right now, if you're not sure, YoungBoy is getting freaking blasted in a giveaway, chubby penguin if you will, and just checking out freaking the merch that is supposed to be really dope. I'm super stoked. This is generally what I do alone, you know what I mean, but I may as well film it and talk about stupid things. Neverbrokeagain.com, that seems safe. See, this is why I wanted to go through the link, but somebody screwed me pretty hard on that one, man. Alright, we're gonna go with this one. It's the first link. Blah. This is it. This is the website I've been on. Let's go. Yes. I knew I didn't remember the website name, but this is the one, 100%. And this is sincerely Control Drop. If I'm saying that wrong or mispronouncing it, my bad, boys, but I can't pronounce anything. I can hardly pronounce my last name, and it's Weeb. Sometimes I say weed, so I sound cooler. That's stupid. Alright, here's a drop. Boys, if y'all are trolling me on this and this isn't dope, then we're gonna have an issue and we're gonna have to do something else in this video. Accessories. Okay, let's start with the accessories first. What the hell is that? It's a shorts, bro. Okay, these are stupid. That's not part of the new drop. I forgot. A lot of his merch is the dumb stuff I talk about. A lot of rappers doing. Yeah, he's never done it well. If anything, that's cool because it's clean, but it's got a little monkey on it, which isn't bad. Monkeys aren't that horrible, but I don't want a little headband when I'm trying to chill out with the boys, play some b-ball, have a little monkey on my forehead, a little baby monkey. Oh, rug. Okay, we're buying that. Boys, this is, we're gonna see how much we can spend and how much I can fathom. Crossbones t-shirt, blah, blah, blah. These are all lame. Oh, it's just another rug. I want more rugs for the room. I add that to cart. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's cool. I wish those were real spikes so when people step in the room, I don't warn them if I don't like them and they hurt themselves. Okay, my battery's dying. I'm gonna have to be right back. Shoot. You always screw it up, don't you, Brad? And we're back on track. Just had a little another thing that I wanted, a little sesh. All right, boys, so we're gonna stop wasting time on this one. No, okay, sincerely, Kentrell. Okay, so this is his new stuff. That's super dope, actually. By the way, my computer's down here right now because I wanted to show the Alienware, if I'm being extremely honest with you guys. It's very uncomfortable for me, though. See, this is the kind of stuff I want, yo. Or the kind of stuff I'd actually wear. I don't want some stupid graphic on it, bro. I want your album cover, which is very cool, actually, with a child. There's no way his child's that freaking grown already. This kid, how old is he? Like 2019. I think he's 19, maybe 20 now. Honestly, I'm buying the hoodie right off the bat. Very sick. Let's talk about Sasquatch for a second, because I have no new alien info for y'all, man. Not a lot's been leaked lately. I think they're waiting for something crazy. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about Bigfoot real quick. Did I put large in? Let's hope so. I went on an experience the other day, boys. A little bit of a journey, if you will. And what I did find is I was talking to Sasquatch. In a weird way, it sounds weird. Anyway, Sasquatch, in my mind, in everyone's mind, it's now been proven because I'm saying it. He's actually an interdimensional human being, bro. I can look you in the eyes while saying, I think that. Because there's no reason why, okay, I'm just not even gonna get into it. The trip was a little crazy, but, not trip, sorry, I wasn't on a trip. But it was good news. This is sick, actually, I want that too. This is super dope. Boys, I'm going really slow because at the bottom, they usually have the accessories, and that's when you'll find a chain or something like that. And a lot of rappers are starting to put up the chains and jewelry. This is super cool. Am I a large? I don't remember what my size is. Add to cart. I'm like a large medium, boys. Depends on the day, you know what I mean? Have a couple Big Macs, couple fries, couple sodas, you know what I mean? Go to Five Guys after, have a few beers in Five Guys, because you gotta bring them in, they don't sell them there. Then you're looking at a large t-shirt. Alright, then we're going back to the stupid stuff, in my opinion. White teeth. Are we recording? Oh, we are. Wow, that doesn't usually happen. I don't think I've had to restart it once. Dumb, not buying that, I want that white tee. We're actually going back to that. Let me know down below, boys. This is gonna help you out in the giveaway if you watch this far. Beliefs on Sasquatch. I don't care what you think, it doesn't matter. Like, if you think it's fake, don't care, that's cool, man. I see why you would think it's fake. If you think it's real, let me know. I want to hear your thoughts on the Sasquatch. Everyone's got thoughts. Everyone's heard of the Sasquatch, bro. Many people maybe not have put as much time into thinking about it than I have, but bro, I'm just telling you right now, the things I've seen, things I've heard about from trusted people, what the f is that? See, this is the type of thing that's gonna piss me off, bro. Wait, I'm not wearing that. Oh, and then you got a real chain, you're stacking it over this big fake one, you all of a sudden look like a puss because you've just got a comparison of how big a chain and how cool a chain could actually be.